Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of our nation. He is famous for using nonviolence and truth to fight injustice. He also organized numerous marches against the British Raj, the most notable being the Salt March in April 1930. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was an Indian nationalist and a well-known patriot who fought against the British rule. He founded the first Indian armed force, Azad Hind Force, as a way to retaliate against the British forces. Two of his famous slogans are "तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा" and "जय हिंद." Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar, is known for the Dalit Buddhist movement, where he campaigned against the social discrimination towards the untouchables. He is also known as the chief architect of the Constitution of India. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. He was a key activist during the Indian freedom movement. His birthday is celebrated as Children's Day in India. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was the first leader of Indian independence movement. He also started two newspapers, Maratha and Kesari, due to which he was sent into prison. One of his famous slogans is "Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it." Dadabhai Naoroji. Bhai Naoroji is also known as the Grand Old Man of India. He founded the Indian National Congress. He brought attention to his theory of the Indian wealth drain into Britain. Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of independent India. He was an active member of the Indian National Congress. He was imprisoned for 2.5 years for his participation in the Indian freedom movement. He gave us the famous slogan, "Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan." Sarojini Naidu. Known as the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu was a poet and an activist. She joined the Indian independence movement and travelled to different Indian regions, delivering lectures on social welfare, women's emancipation and nationalism. She also helped to establish the Women India's Association in 1917. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Vallabhbhai Patel, popularly known as Sardar Patel, were responsible for uniting more than 500 princely states into one Indian country. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel advocated Swaraj or self-rule and organized peasants in Gujarat in non-violent civil disobedience against the British. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad was a well-known journalist who wrote against the atrocities of the British. He was independent India's first education minister. He advocated for free and compulsory primary education for all children up to the age of 14.